Grayson, we're talking 50, 60 mile per hour winds in some spots. You can make a mess out there tomorrow.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a difficult morning commute, to say the least. And right now we do have this stronger round of rain that's about to move into the area. We had some light rain earlier on this morning. We're kind of in that short dry period right now before this next round starts to move in. And I'm glad that I took my own advice that I said last night to make sure you bring your umbrellas and your rain gear, because I always forget. I did remember today, which is good because it's definitely going to be needed throughout this afternoon. But right now we do still have the spring-like feel in the air. Temperatures are in the 40s to the north, 48 in Decorah, same thing in Oelwein and New Hampton, 55 right now in Cedar Rapids, 54 in Iowa City, and 57 degrees over in Tama. But temperatures are actually going to start to drop as we do head through the afternoon. We have winds out of the south today, but between tonight into tomorrow, winds will be switching out of the north and really picking up. And so we'll have that cooler air replacing the warmer air, sending us into the 40s for tonight. And this is where we're going to be having a changeover from today's rain to snow tonight into tomorrow. And so we do have a lot going on here on this map, but the two main things you need to know with this is that we have a blizzard warning issued right now for our northwestern counties as well as central and northern Iowa. And this basically means we'll have snow continuing to fall for at least 3 hours, reducing visibility to a 1/4 mile or less. And so that's what's going to be going on, where that heavier snow will be falling to the north and northwest. And then in this kind of brown color that you're seeing here, this is where we have a wind advisory, and we'll be dealing with winds 50 plus miles per hour tomorrow, which is going to cause some issues when you combine that with the snow. So timing everything out, we'll start to see that rain entering the area within the next hour or so. We'll continue through the afternoon. Could also have some embedded thunderstorms in the mix as well. And this will continue through the evening. Then tonight after midnight, we have that changeover from rain to the snow. This will carry over through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. And as far as accumulation with the snow, looking at maybe some light dusting, maybe up to an inch, with again some higher totals to the north and northwest. But once you account for the wind and add that into the equation, it's just going to create some messy travel conditions, especially for tomorrow morning. So here's a look at the wind. It'll be especially strong tomorrow morning through the midday hours, gusting around 50, even 50 plus miles per hour out of the north. And so once you combine this with the falling snow, it's just going to be leading to slushy roads as well as just blowing snow and at times whiteout conditions, especially in the morning. So we have the AM commute highlighted in red. It's going to be tough to travel with the snow, with the wind. It should start to see improvements by around midday. Still might be a little bit difficult though, and then we should start to kind of clear up by the evening. So definitely as you're heading into tomorrow morning, make sure you're taking it slow on the roads. We then have a little bit of dry time and quiet on Thursday. Temperatures back up in the 40s, but we're not dry for long, and our next system will be coming through, bringing more snow to the area Thursday night into Friday. So lots going on over the next couple of days. We'll have the rain today, temperatures in the 50s. Then that snow comes through tonight into tomorrow. We're dry for Thursday, watching that next system on Friday. Then we dry it out and get some sun for the weekend.